Is your home looking more fixer-upper than move-in ready? Let's fix that with simple, budget-friendly tips that wow buyers. Hey, I'm Michelle Monastro with Epic Realty. When people are prepared to sell in Bay County, they often think they need a complete remodel. Spoiler alert, you don't. Today, we're talking about the small, affordable changes that make a big difference. From curb appeal to fixing deferred maintenance, giving rooms a fresh look, and turning your backyard into a buyer magnet. First impressions start at the curb. A messy yard and a tired front door can make your buyers wonder what else is wrong. To create a welcoming exterior, start with the basics. Lay down fresh mulch, mow the lawn, pull weeds, trim overgrown shrubs, and edge your flower beds. Pressure wash the siding, driveway, and walkways. Clean the windows and gutters and give the front door a fresh coat of paint. Low maintenance touches like native plants, rock gardens, pavers, and window boxes add color and texture without a lot of upkeep. Add solar pathway lights or a stylish front porch fixture to make your entry inviting even after dark. Next, tackle deferred maintenance items that scare buyers away. Scratched hardwood, ratty carpets, and tired linoleum can make a home feel neglected. Replace worn flooring and refinish what you have. Neutral, easy care materials like luxury vinyl plank and refreshed hardwood are buyer favorites. Fix water stains and torn window screens and freshen up cracked grout and caulk in bathrooms. Outside, revive a patchy lawn and repair pet damage so buyers don't worry about hidden problems. Remember, smaller, inexpensive updates with good staging go a long way. Interior updates matter, but you don't need to gut the kitchen. Kitchens and bathrooms hold a lot of power with buyers, but small changes make the biggest difference. Swap outdated cabinet hardware for modern pools and install a timeless tile backsplash, and make sure your appliances match in color and style. In the bathroom, recaulk and regrout. Replace faucets and light fixtures, and refresh mirrors and vanity fronts. A fresh coat of neutral paint brightens rooms and pulls everything together. Flooring is the foundation of a well-staged home. Clean, cohesive flooring makes spaces feel bigger and more modern. Outdoor living is a top priority for many buyers. Transform your backyard into a cozy retreat with inexpensive touches. String bistro lights to create ambiance, lay down fresh mulch, and stage a fire pit seating area. Clean up the lawn, trim edges, and consider adding a family fun zone with lawn games. These simple improvements help buyers picture relaxing evenings and weekend gatherings in the space. So when it comes to prepping your Bay County home for sale, skip the expensive remodel and focus on curb appeal, maintenance, and modest updates. Tidy the yard, freshen up the exterior, fix worn flooring and paint, and add small touches to kitchens, baths, and the backyard. These steps preserve your home's value and make buyers fall in love. Need a personalized game plan? Leave a comment or DM me. I'm Michelle Monastro with Epic Realty, your advocate, advisor, and ally, and I'm here to help you sell with confidence.